Imagine creating a viral YouTube video that educates, captivates, and earns revenue, all without showing your face on camera. Welcome to the world of AI history videos. These are not your standard history lessons. They are virtual time machines powered by artificial intelligence, taking viewers on immersive journeys through time while you rake in the views and the revenue. Who wouldn't want to be a part of this digital revolution? Sounds too good to be true? Stick around and learn how to make it your reality. First, let's unravel the mystery behind AI and history content. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a technological marvel that can create content, analyze data, and even mimic human behavior. In the realm of video production, AI can help generate scripts, edit footage, and even predict viewer preferences. Why history content, you ask? Well, it's simple. History is a goldmine of intriguing stories and timeless lessons. It's a genre that captivates audiences of all ages, from all walks of life. It's a universal language that transcends borders and cultures. Now, combining AI and history might seem like an odd pairing, but it's actually a match made in heaven. AI can sift through vast amounts of historical data and facts, highlighting the most engaging and relevant topics. It's like having a personal assistant that can read every history book ever written and then curate the best parts for your video content. Now that you understand the foundation, it's time to build your viral video. Ready to create your viral AI history video? Here's your step-by-step guide. First things first, you need to research a history topic that piques your interest. It could be anything from the Roman Empire to the digital revolution. The key here is to find a subject that you find fascinating and are eager to delve into. This passion will shine through in your video and grab your viewers' attention. Once you've chosen your topic, it's time to script your video. This is where you lay the groundwork for your viral creation. You'll want to start with an engaging hook, something that instantly grabs the viewer's attention and makes them want to keep watching. From there, develop a clear, concise narrative. Remember, the more straightforward and captivating your story, the more likely it is to go viral. Now comes the fun part, using AI tools to generate your video content. There are several AI tools available that can help you create high-quality video content without having to show your face. These tools can generate animations, visuals, and even voiceovers. All you need to do is input your script, and the AI tool does the rest. It's like having a personal video production team at your fingertips. After your AI tool has generated your video, it's time to edit and optimize it for YouTube. This means fine-tuning the visuals and audio, adding subtitles for accessibility, and ensuring your video meets YouTube's guidelines. You'll also want to optimize your video's title, description, and tags to increase its visibility in YouTube search results. But creating a viral video isn't just about making it look and sound good, it's also about making the content engaging and viral-worthy. This means adding elements of surprise, evoking emotions, and including a strong call to action. Remember, the more engaging your content, the more likely it is to be shared, and the more likely it is to go viral. Congratulations on creating your first AI history video, but how do you monetize it? Creating the video is half the battle. Now let's turn those views into dollars. You've got this fascinating AI history video, how do you make it work for you? Well, there are a few roads you can take. The first is through YouTube's own AdSense. Once you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can start earning from ads displayed on your content. Then we have sponsorships. Companies related to your content, for example AI software developers, might be interested in sponsoring your videos. And let's not forget affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your content and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. But remember, none of these work without viewer engagement. The more likes, shares, and comments your video gets, the more YouTube's algorithm favors you. With these tips, your viral AI history video is not just a source of education and entertainment, but also a potential income generator. Let's quickly recap what you've learned today. We've journeyed through the power of AI history videos, understood their content, and walked through the process of creating them. We've also explored how to monetize these videos effectively. Remember, these AI history narratives can be your key to unlock a world of opportunities. So don't hesitate, take the plunge. The world of AI history videos is waiting for you. Start creating, start earning, and most importantly, start making history.